Hello. If you are learning data engineering, this video is extremely important. The formats you see on this slide CSV, JSON, Parquet, Avro, ORC, Delta, Iceberg, and Hudi are not optional skills anymore. These formats are used daily in real data engineering job. Choosing the right format decides performance, cost, and reliability. In this video, I will explain each format using real examples from this PPT in very simple language, step by step. By the end, you will clearly understand which format to use and when. So first one is CSV, stands for comma separated value. It is simple text file where data is separated by commas. You can see the customer data example on the screen. Each row represents one customer and everything is stored as a plain text. CSV is easy to read, easy to create, and works in Excel and Google Sheet. But CSV has limitation. File size become very large. It is slow for big data and it cannot handle complex data. CSV is best used for a small data sets, Excel report and sharing data with non-technical users. It is still the most common format for simple data sharing, but not suitable for big data systems. Now, number two is JSON. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. JSON stores data in key value pairs and support nested structure. You can see the e-commerce order example, customer details, items, price, and status are stored together in one structure. This makes JSON perfect for APIs and web applications. JSON works with all programming language and is easy to read. However, JSON files are large in size and slower than binary format. So JSON is mainly used for data exchange, not for analytics. Now, third is Parquet file. So Apache Parquet is a compressed columnar format. It is stored in binary form. So it is not human readable. Look at how Parquet stores data. Instead of rows, data is stored by columns. This means analytics query read only the required columns. As a result, Parquet files are much smaller and queries run much faster. Parquet work with Spark, AWS, BigQuery, and most cloud data platforms. You can see example here CSV, ID, name, city, how you think. But in Parquet stores, like in this columnar, column ID 1 2, column name John Sarah, column city NYC LA. Good thing is like 10x smaller than CSV, super fast, only read columns. You need work with Spark, AWS, BigQuery. The fourth is like Avro. Apache Avro is a binary format with a schema. The schema defines the structure of the data. You can see the IoT sensor schema example on the screen because the schema is included. You can see a schema defined structure like type, name, field, sensor ID, name, timestamp, temperature, type, everything which is available here. Data type. So Avro is very fast and efficient. Avro is mainly used in a streaming pipeline and Kafka based system. It handles a schema changes very well. Avro is not used for analytics and cannot be read directly, but it is designed for real time data movement. Now it is ORC. ORC stands for Optimized Row Columnar. It is columnar format similar to Parquet. ORC is designed mainly for Hadoop and Hive system. It provides a strong compression and built-in indexes for fast queries. ORC is less popular in cloud system, but are still widely used in on-premise Hadoop environment. You can see this is conceptual view of row-oriented data like date, product, sales, reason. But in ORC storage, how it will store like column as a date and then everything. Column, product. So ORC store columns together, enabling high compression and fast analytics query by only reading necessary columns, includes built-in indexes for rapid search. And these are the some good things and bad things, like less adopted, nice use. Now it is Delta Lake. So Delta Lake is basically built on top of Parquet file. So it is a combination of Parquet file plus transaction log for updates and delete. It adds a transaction logs to track all data changes. You can see how inserts, updates, and deletes are recorded in Delta log. This enables time travel and ensure data consistency. Delta Lake support ACID transactions and work with both batch and streaming data. It is widely used in production data lakes and is one of the most popular format in 2026. You can see this example, the data file like Parquet part 001 dot Parquet, like first customer 123, then in the second Parquet file it have created for customer 456. And you can see it also maintain a transaction logs file that is called delta log file. So 00.json first file, it is saying that we have created table. Then if someone have added this particular customer 123, then it will say like 001.json added part 001. If you will update, then there will be another JSON 003.json update customer 2. Time travel feature like version is empty because we have created a table. If any insertion is happened, then version 1, version 2, version 3, and that will be continue with that table. And this is the hottest format in 2026. Most company using this. Now it's Apache Iceberg. So Apache Iceberg is similar to Delta Lake, but fully open source. It uses metadata, files, and snapshot to manage table versions. One powerful feature is partition evolution. This allows changing partition without rewriting existing data. Iceberg work with Spark, Snowflake, and AWS. It is growing rapidly and it is widely adopted in modern data platform. You can see example data files as a Parquet date slash year month 01 file 1 dot Parquet. And these are the metadata files like metadata 1 JSON table schema updated schema, and this is the partition evolution, old partition by date, new partition by reason. So it is saying that this allows changing partition without rewriting existing data. And growing fast AWS Snowflake supporting it. Now it is Apache Hudi. So Apache Hudi is designed for frequent data changes. It stores base file and log files to track, update, and inserts. During reads, Hudi merge these automatically to show the latest data. Index file help locate records quickly without scanning the full dataset. Hudi is powerful for CDC pipelines and near real-time analytics. It is more complex than Delta and Iceberg, but very efficient for updates. So you can see example, initial load customer 001, John active. Then customer 002, Shara active. A full snapshot of customer data is loaded. Day 2, the change is only happened with customer 002, like Sarah inactive update. So only the modified or the new records are captured and processed. So Hudi implies a layered storage approach to manage data efficiently, combining base file with incremental logs file. So this is the base file customer 001, then customer 002 original. Logs file.log changes for customer 002. Hudi automatically merge base and logs file during queries to project the most up-to-date data view of your data. And Hudi uses an efficient index to track record location, enabling fast updates without scanning entire data set. And these are the advantages and the disadvantages and the considerations. So Hudi excels scenarios requiring change data capture and streaming updates directly into data lakes, a crucial capability for modern data platform. So now The slides show the impact of data formats clearly. The same data has very different file size depending upon the format. So columnar formats like Parquet and ORC are much smaller and faster. Suppose that you have an example data set 1 with 1 million customer records, then file size when you convert into CSV, it approximately like 500 largest plate. If you will convert into JSON, then it will come 600 MB nested structure at size. Then Parquet, it becomes 50 MB only, 10x compression. Delta, Iceberg, and Hudi add metadata to support production feature. Avro 80 MB, good for streaming. ORC 45 MB, page compression. Delta 50 MB plus 5 MB of logs. Iceberg 50 MB plus 3 MB of metadata. Hudi 50 MB plus 8 MB indexes. Read, query, select a city like CSV, read all 500 MB. JSON, read all 600 MB. Parquet, read only age plus city columns is equal to 500. If you are wanted to query only two columns, age and city, so these are the comparison. Then ORC, read only age plus city is equal to 4 MB. Delta, Iceberg would be same as Parquet plus smart filtering. So a start that like the recommended learning path is a start with CSV and JSON, master Parquet, choose Delta or Iceberg, then learn Avro and Hudi. Always choose data format based on use case, not height. So data formats are a core foundation of data engineering. If you understand this formats, you understand how real data system work. Thanks for watching, and more data engineering content is coming soon. Thank you.